Good morning! Happy Sunday! Alis na sila today, guys. So, I'm cooking breakfast. Hotdog yan. Tapos, nasa air fryer yung chicken, not chicken, Cebu chorizo. And then, magluluto ako ng egg after. And tingnan itong sobrang laking watermelon. Client ni Dan, binigyan siya. You wanna go outside? Okay, go. Open and go out. Mamaya, we will blow up our slide pool, okay? Eli and Theo will come over later. To play with you. In our house, yes. They want to play. Doggy's not coming, I don't think. Just Eli and Thea. Ang bango-bango na ng chorizo. Can you smell? It's really yummy, eh? Aww. Where are you going? Outside. Oh my gosh. Arlo will miss you, ate. Bye-bye. Enjoy! Okay na siya, oh. Noon, kailangan talaga akong kasama dyan. Ngayon, okay lang si Ate Holly. Si Ate Holly yung lagi niya hinihila. Tapos na ang hotdog. Itlog naman. Tapos na din yung ano, guys, chorizo. Hindi ko na nakalimutan yung asin. Last time nakalimutan ko. I know. She put ice in her cereal.
Hey, you want the cereal?
Yeah. Good.
Rock bottom?
Yeah. Alam, baka mag-corn beef ako. Baka gusto nila mag-corn beef. Agoy! Linaw up na nila yung ano. Baka hindi na kumain ng mga batang ito. Ayun na, nakatayo na naman. Wala na, mag-uhubad na si Ayla. Okay lang yung mga anak ko kumain na. Si Holly at saka ang boys hindi pa.
Is China still sleeping? Nah.
Daddy, a child. Come here.
Huh? Tina, lunch.
No, stop. Daddy.
Stop.
Daddy wants me. No.
Ako, corn beef. Nandun na yung ibang pagkain pero luto lang ako na corn beef.
I guys all drink more.
Thank you. Busin ko kaya yung patatas. Busin ko na. Alam mo. Selfie. Why? You want me? Lambutin ko lang yung patatas and then sunod ko yung onion and then yung corned beef. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's good. That's alright. Alis pala si Dan at saka si John. Kunin nila yung car ko. Kasi yung car ko naiwan namin kina Sharon kagabi, guys. Kasi from there, diretso kami sa restaurant kagabi. Malapit na matapos yung corned beef. Hinihintay ko lang na bumaba si Manay para makakain na ang lahat. Gutom na ang mga bata. Ako din ay gutom na. Nakakaluto ako ng payapa kasi si Holly, naglalaro sila ni Arlo. Pagbaba ni Manay, ready na ang lahat. Food's ready. Kainan na. Chorizo. Ang bango ng chorizo kanina.
Mas maliit to. Chorizo natin.
Oh, iba yan. Ang kahapon, longganisa. Yan, chorizo yan. Kain.
This is mine.
Yeah, sure. You can use that. Go ahead, Kuya. Zach! Food's ready.
Mommy, I want that.
Boy! Relax, boy. I'm here. I'm here. What do you want? What do you want? Sige. Mommy. Right here. Do you want hot dog? Don't do that, please. Don't do that. Come on. Put it down. Put it down. You have a big fork. What do you want?
Thank you for the rice.
That's all right, my love. That's okay.
Oh my God. Hindi ko pinapakain sa bahay. Uy, grabe yung kinain natin kahapon na. Everyday, ang ganda ng kain natin. Huwag kayo dyan. Baka tayo hindi pinapakain mo. Ito ka lang favorite mo lang, basta.
That's good.
Ngayon si Kuya, hindi nga talaga si Kuya. Hindi siya yung si Kuya kasi hindi sa kabila.
What's my friend ko? Sabi nga nila ko, ano matira sa kanya daw. So, ano ba? Saan ba kayo pupunta? Look at your car. Piling ko, ano na naman? Wali na naman yung dalawa.
Tapos i-drive din yung ano kasi
Yeah.
Oh, Papa, ano gusto mo doon?
Magpapahuli pa ba yan?
Ang galing yung nag-sing.
Yeah.
Ano pa ang lahat?
I don't do that. What are you doing?
Napupuno niya yung ano, yung bote ng ano.
Yeah. Kaya nga, hindi ko lang ginamit yung ashtray namin.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
And wala na. Nakatayo na ulit. Laro na sila, guys. It is hot.
Just lie in the boat. I'm gonna see how I don't know. I'll get burnt. Olive's got the same thing. I'm gonna be.
Nagre-ready na ang mga tao umalis. Sorry? Love heart for me?
With me.
Aww, love heart for mommy? Love heart for dada? Good girl. Here you go. Nakabihis na din si Arlo. Tingnan nyo kung gano'n nakadark tong ating Arlo boy. Give Ate Holly a big hug and big kiss.
And Daddy.
Daddy.
I'm me brown. Me brown.
You are a white baby. You're a white girl.
And I'm a dark brown.
Yeah, Ate Holly is a brown girl too.
What about T-Day?
Kuya TJ is a white boy. Is he a white boy or a brown boy? A bus. What else?
A car.
A car. What's this? What's that?
Isla, be careful.
What is it? What is it? Excavator? You need shoes? Oh, labas na siya. Say goodbye to Tito Jan, Tita Manay, and Ate Holly. Oh. Alo, say bye. Blue kiss. Big kiss. Big hug. Excavator. Ah, yeah, pwede din. Alo, kiss. Kiss Ate Holly, hug Ate Holly. Sus, Arlo, yung kulay mo dong talaga naman dong. Hug? Close na close silang dalawa eh. Mapakong ka na naman.
Sa bali ang damit niya.
Oo, tingnan mo masikip na.
Meron si Sophia.
Ayla! Ayla, come on, say goodbye to everyone. They're going. Say bye to Tito John. Say bye-bye.
Say Renma. Go swimming in Renma.
Oh my gosh, again. Hello. Say bye to Tito John. Did you say bye? Bye, Tito. Oh, wave, wave. Bye-bye. Bye, Kuya.
Safe drive.
Kaya nga, it's hot. Safe drive. Sorry?
You look that sad.
Yeah, if he doesn't get his sleep, he'll get sad. So I'll put him to sleep, okay? And you and Daddy go to the shops?
That is what girl.
You're a big girl,
I
yeah.
don't want to.
You don't want to what?
I don't want to.
You don't want to go to what?
I don't want to.
You don't want to go to the shops? It's up to you. You don't have to. You can stay here if you want.
It's Daddy buy.
Daddy is gonna buy groceries. Food, fruits for you. Don't do that. Take it out. Take it out. Hello, boy. You sleepy yet?
I want to stay here.
Okay, you can stay here. Up to you, my love. You sure?
Do you just for my house?
Not really. No, it's messy.
It's not messy.
Yes, it is. Look at the mess you made. You pick it up and put it in the bin. Kain. Anong oras na? Anong oras na? Ano na? Nanonood ako nito, KMGS. 4:10. Hapon na. Kain tayo. Si Ayla yung nagpa-open ito. Gusto niya daw ng mangga. Alam ko, ayaw niya eh. But, the-request niya. So, ayan. And ngayon, syempre, ang laki nito, hindi niya maubos. Ako nakakain. Mangga. And bagoong. Nakapajamas pa din ako kasi naglinis kami, naglaundry, nagtupi. Sada nakapag-shopping ngayon. And okay na yung bahay. Si Arlo tulog pa din. Hello! Kakaalis lang nila Sharon, guys. Nagpunta pala dito. Hindi ako aware. Ako talaga pajamas na. But yeah, kumain lang kami. Nagluto ako ng pang-steak sandwich. And then...
Small space.
Small space? No, big space. Here. Yeah. Not a small space. Big space for my baby girl. There you go. And mommy, yes. Let's open this.
Yes, open.
Raise. So, ito mga ito ay hindi ko in-order. Sinan lang sa PO box namin. We'll see. We'll open this small one first. Oh!
What's that? Want to see?
Huh? Dear Ayla, enjoy your gift. From Tita Glenda.
What's that?
Oh my gosh, Ayla, what's that? Show me.
Okay.
That's from Tita Glenda. What do you say to Tita Glenda?
Thank you.
Oh.
I want to open.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I love this.
I love dress. Oh my god.
It's a mermaid one.
Exactly. You don't have any. That's perfect.
It's a mermaid.
What do you say to Tita Glenda?
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, you're lucky.
Baby owl.
Hello? What about hello? I'm done,
This is
baby.
ours.
I'm not sure. We'll see.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Our daughter, are you that ready?
Hello's got a lot of clothes already, and you too. You got a lot of clothes already.
And
You're,
my daughter mermaid dress.
you got a mermaid dress, yeah. We'll see. Hello, do you wanna
What's
see?
this?
Oh, look, come here, come here. What's this?
A truck.
A truck.
No, it's a bus.
A truck.
What's this?
This is, oh, dear Arlo, happy birthday. Enjoy your gift. It's from Tita Glenda again. Aww. open it, okay? Let's... Oh, it's a birthday present, Boy. What an early birthday present. Very early, babe. Look at this.
Open truck.
Open truck. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you, sis. Oh, Arlo loves this. Alright, we will open.
I open.
Just wait, Ayla. What do you say, Arlo?
He's doing.
What do you say?
Where's that one? No for babies.
Oh, sabi niya, thank you, mommy. This is from Tita Glenda. Say thank you, Tita. Say thank you, Tita.
Where's this one?
Just wait, Ayla. Yeah. Oh. True.
What's inside in there?
Yeah, just wait, Ayla. Just wait, please. I'll open it so we can get it.
Mommy.
Go, 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 go. Go show Daddy. Show Daddy your
Where's that? Where's this one? Where's this?
This way, this way. Show Daddy, show Daddy. Daddy.
Whoa!
That's for Alo's
Lucky
truck.
boy.
Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, Ayla. Another. Oh!
Butterfly!
What's that? You tell me. Oh my gosh, what a lucky girl.
Another dress.
Look at this thing.
That's cute. Got a butterfly on the Isla.
Butterfly
Butterfly
dress.
dress.
Yeah. Ang cute naman ito. Is this a top or a dress?
I think it's a top.
Yeah. That's good.
Where's this one?
But that's beautiful. Thank you. That's for Tita Glenda. You say thank you to Tita Glenda.
Where's the banana box? Where's that right there?
Just wait, there's more.
Oh, lucky girl. You
Is that for you?
Yeah,
I'm
this
not
is all
sure.
for
Maybe
you.
for Arlo. I think Arlo. Because he got 2 dresses already.
Oh, this is nice. So this is good.
She's actually a minor. And then,
Oh.
yeah. That is for
cute.
Arlo boy. That's nice. Arlo boy, look. What do you say?
A truck.
Mom, what's that mean?
Alan.
Let's see what's here.
Where's the name?
Huh? I don't know her name, baby.
Where's the
Yeah, these are all for Arlo.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you, sis. A birthday present for him, she said. Yeah.
Mom, where is the banana box?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, you got so many! Wow. What's this?
I want
A tractor!
to
Okay, this one, let's open this one. Hindi ko din to in order. Wala akong pinag-order lately.
Yeah, I'll open it. Sharing's carrying. Yeah, Arlo shared his toys with you. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
So that's what you gotta do. You gotta share as well. Beautiful boy. There you go.
Oh my gosh, what's
Is it
this? I don't know.
It's right here.
Oh my goodness.
Isla.
Ayla!
Open.
No, please, please.
Please.
Oh, it's a mermaid one.
It is a banana.
Yeah.
You lucky. Where is this from?
Isla,
Where's this from?
promise me not to pop it. Promise me you're not gonna pop it. Don't pop it. Promise me you're not gonna pop it. No popping. Okay, just pop it.
Galing. Baka kay Gifts Ahoy ito. Oh, I think this is from Gifts Ahoy. Ooh! I got the Lululemon belt bag.
Oh, cool.
I am Gifts Ahoy on Instagram. Oh my goodness.
Isla, pencil case.
Are you serious right now with all these presents?
It's all my pocket.
It's all yours.
It's all yours, baby.
It's all your pop it.
Where's rainbow?
Isla.
I like puppets.
Yeah.
Oh, puppets.
Isla, here, to daddy. Isla, to daddy. Isla, to daddy, come here.
Oh, yes.
Isla,
Gifts
come
Ahoy
here.
ito.
Isla, here.
Mommy,
Right, play with it.
Oh, hello, what's this?
I thought another one. It's
Oh my gosh, she said, I have another one. It's upstairs. Don't worry. That's a nice bag. Guys, nagbebenta rin siya ng mga ganyan. Lululemon. Meron nga siyang binibenta na, shoot, anong brand ba yun na? Ang cute din. Ba yan, nagbebenta siya ng mga ganito. Another travel bag for me. Thank you, sis. And yung mga damit niya lately, ang dami kong hina-heart kasi ang gaganda ng mga damit ng Gifts Ahoy lately. This is nice. It is a knitted vest. Ayan. Ang ganda.
I not find it. I not find it. Mommy,
You didn't find it?
yeah.
This is a knitted top.
Mommy,
Ganyan yung itsura. I'm not really sure kung para saan to. Ah! Baka yung, alam mo yun, yung parang itali. Itali dito sa harap ba yun?
Mom, it's
Yeah.
more here. Mommy.
Yay! Ang cute din ito. Relax, relax lang. Ang dami niyang mga knitted, guys. So, kung interesado kayo, ay ang Gifts Ahoy. Yes, tamang-tama nga ako. Gifts Ahoy! Ooh. So, knitted pants, sleeveless top na ganyan, and then this is a cardigan. Yes.
Mommy,
There you go.
I love this.
You love it? Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking OOTD today kasi ang lamig-lamig. Si Dan naiinitan. Ako yung sobrang nilalamig kapag inuon yung AC namin. Iba yung ano ng aming AC, mapanakit. So we have this. Ang cute din. Ayan, knitted din siya.
Mom, Mammy's in my room.
Meron siyang aso dyan. Malaki to sa akin. But, it's a 2-piece set. Ay, ang ganda ng top. Perfect na perfect to. Oh, ang ganda ng quality ng top nito. Ah, 3-piece set naman to siya. Malaki din to sa akin tong top. But, ang ganda niya. Meron siyang top, shorts, and this. Same brand siya nung isa. So, it has the same nice bagsak quality. Ang ganda nito. Ililive ko yung link niya sa description box. Thank you, sis! Ikaw na talaga ang padala pa ng puppets for Ayla. And thank you for this. What?
I am in this in your cat's house.
Veronica's house?
Yeah. I want this. Mommy can't take this out.
Yeah.
I can't. See?
Okay.
And pop, 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 pop.
You like it?
Yeah.
Say thank you to Tita Bianca.
Right here.
Tita.
Let's them this one.
Who gave that to you? Oh no, we got that in Bali.
Bye.
Yeah, so mommy and daddy got that for you. You are so
Mom, it's for
lucky.
sale.
Hmm?
It's for sale.
It was for sale, yeah, that's why we got it.
Toys for sale.
Yeah.
Toys for sale now. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, I like it. Yes. Like that. Bye.
Good night, guys.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Here's another.
Be good.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Bear. Thanks for watching, guys. Cute. Alright. Tulog na kami, guys.